Hello, good day, good afternoon, good evening, depends on the time when they work out the jump. This my video. Greeting to you. Is your sister, your girl, your friend. Please stay tuned and watch to the end of this video. Remain blessed. Okay, my people, let me talk to something will carry me come here. So, no man, my English and the speaker. Many people they understand the reason why I they break my English like this because of some of my friends. They are Cameroon. When I speak, they don't understand. So I have to break my English for them to be understanding what I am saying. That is why my English I they already bring them down. No, make you no verse. Anyhow, not say I'm making a take out from me. I love you all, my new subscribers. God bless you. My whole subscriber, God bless you. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you guys waiting for? Subscribe to Shadowstone TV to be getting more Ogbonge story from me. I also told you guys I'll be dropping different Ogbonge video so that you people will be learning. I also will be learning. Through your comment, I will learn. If I say something you didn't like, please just call my number and I will respond to you. My number is there on my channel. You find any number is available for you anytime, any day to call. Okay, my people. So as I said before, my English is a slowly speak and cut. Thank you all for your being here. So I want to talk about how we keep ourselves secret. How we fit the bear our secret. I remember then one of my mommy sister Osma, that man always say, anything you are doing in this life and you don't want anybody to hear it and you don't want that thing to go viral, he said please keep it in your mind. Yes. Anything at all where you just they do and you know what make people hear around, you know what make anybody call it a fair put, let that thing die for your mind. Yes, let them die for your mind. Trust nobody in this world. Trust nobody. Nobody is your friend, nobody is your sisters, nobody is your brothers. You are your brother alone, you are your sister alone. It could be your husband, I can say it's your husband, even your kids. Keep anything you are doing, let it die in your mind. So why they talk this thing? Because for this video we just they go viral everywhere. What the person do hide, it can later evolve. Now make as I think of this matter yesterday, before I sleep, my people, I don't feel closer, I don't feel poor because it did your body, it did my body. Now make I want all this to come out. My people, my advice to everyone who want watch this my video, so when they do, I beg, if you are a man, you are a woman, anything what they do for your life, try to bear that secret into your heart. Yes, but I know in this world, in this life, anything you are doing, you did not say it hard, your mind will be judging you. I don't know for you guys, for me it's like that. For me it's like that. Because anything you are doing, you have to say it hard for you to be free from your conscience. But if you did not say it hard, your mind will be judging you. Yes. If you not talk and come out, your mind will be bitter. But if you talk and come out, it will be wahala. If you not talk and come out, it will be wahala. So now what if you walk when they talk again, what they do for this? I don't understand. So it's better you keep everything what you they do for this life. Let them die for your mind. You don't know why they talk this thing. Also this video, where they go viral every day. God, have mercy. Forgive all your children. Forgive everyone for the sin. What would they commit? What would they commit? What would they commit? Sorry, guys. Forgive everyone for the sin. What would they commit? God Almighty, we only lay down and pray for you day and night. And anything you want to do for this life, I beg, mind the way you speak. Control your heart. Control your temper. Control your mind. A case of tomorrow. What would you only do something tomorrow? They forget tomorrow for this life. Because anything where you do, you forget tomorrow. My sister, and that thing where you do, now you go bring you out to Bonjour. Ça va? Oui. Anything wey you do, then go bring you out for this world. You know why I talk, huh? Something wey you and your friend do 3 years ago. You and your friend can't get a little misunderstanding this month. Sorry, guys, anyhow you see my talk, you just take it, okay? You and your friend can't get misunderstanding this month, You see that thing where you tell them 3 years ago. If 10 years ago, 3 years is like a 3 days. Something you told that 10 years ago, the very day when I go and stage a little word, my sister, put out for your mind that word where you tell her 10 years ago is going to use them to mock you. It's going to mock you with that word. That is why this life, anything you are doing, my people, we have to bear. Yes, let anything we are doing, let you be there in our mind. It could be your husband. It could be your husband. It could be your boyfriend. Let us learn how to keep a secret in our heart. Sorry to say this thing. Many people might like it. Many people might say, what this one is talking about. No, I am saying something important. How are you going to keep your secret in your heart? Yes, it's very important. Secret is very important to keep. Yes. If you tell your husband, a man that you marry, a man that you born for, that you give birth to, a man that you give child to, just listen to me. This is why I'm saying, even your husband, you can able to keep your secret for your husband. Sorry for the noise, because I'm doing this record in front of my house, outside. If you marry a man, you tell your husband everything about you, everything about your family, just because of the love and the likeness. When you tell Marian, when you tell Jean-Ma, it go make your mouth, they talk different things. What you don't experience, what you never experience, and what you don't pass through. But sister, trust me, the very day you and your husband go do like say now do small mistake or small misunderstanding or small a little problem. Let me put on little problem, because many people don't understand this English. That is why my English are the breaker. Small problem with your husband. You see that word when you tell her 10 years ago when you marry her, my sister, then go tell laugh you. You see that word you tell your boyfriend when the matter they sweet you. You go tell your boyfriend when the matter they sweet you. My sister, the very day when your boyfriend go get quarrel, and your boyfriend go tell laugh you. Well, I know why they talk this thing. I never see women for this life. I don't know. Maybe many of them don't see them. But for me, Sharon, still, I can say I never work out Jama. When we say man and woman go leave each other, the woman call they mock the man, the word where they talk where it don't pass. I never see him. Sister, if you don't see him, drop the comment for me. For me, I never see him. I never seen get man and woman before that girlfriend go leave each other. Then the thing what they do, where they friend each other. So what the problem they call, the girl will come they vomit. I never say, my sister, my brother, if you don't see that matter, may you drop the comment. No, I never say for women. Women, we get secrets, really get secret on our own. But men, trust me, they don't have secret. Yes. Why they say this thing so? Sister, that's why I say, trust nobody. Men can never hide anything. If you tell anything to your husband, you say anything to your boyfriend, the moment you have a little problem with him, he's going to vomit everything you told him 10 years ago. Everything you told him about your girlfriend, you told him about your family, you told him about your sons or brother, he's going to vomit everything for you. In one day, what you used 1 month to tell him, the man will vomit it is between 1 hour. Between 1 hour, that man will vomit everything for you. Sisters, you will be shocked. You will be shocked. Even you that said the matter for a long time ago, you will forget what you told him. The man will not forget for his life. Yes. And then, if you tell man say you know they do, you know what? All the whole everything, you go begin the vomiter one by one. You go begin the talker one by one. You go begin the talker one by one. That one for the men side. That's why it still be if you get friend. If you get friend, you tell your girlfriend everything about you. I beg, my advice to you. Yes. I know the verse, so that's why they talk. I know the verse. I they learn something. I am not angry with anybody. I am trying to learn from you guys. Yes, I am trying to learn. Through your comment, I will learn from you. You know, everybody, we are not the same. Your character might differ from my own. Your doingness might differ from my own. Your speech, everything about you is different from my own. But through you, I will learn. That is why I'm making this video today. Let me give this matter short. Anything when you tell your girlfriend about your marriage home, sister, the day when your girlfriend go get wahala, you go vomit everything for you. Sister, be careful. Be careful what you tell your girlfriend about your life. Yes. You see, I say, make us get secret for that side. Make get secret for that side, though. Women for get secret for women. Anything where your wife they do, rather it with the girlfriend they do for inside room. If they hard for man go tell man like a mo. If they hard though, before man go tell the man like a. So tell you waiting with wife on the girlfriend they do. My people, if they hard though, now let we women. Our mouth is trash. Yes, it's trashing us. So please learn how to keep your secret into your heart. Please, I am begging everyone. You guys understand what I'm trying to say. Just because of the video that is going viral. You do this thing for a long time ago and you forget what you do. You do this thing and you forget what you do. But you didn't know one day it will come to pass. Yes, so we all have to learn from this video that is going viral. We all have to learn. Somebody you call your friend, somebody you call your sisters, somebody you call your brother. Please stay away from them. Stay away. Keep your secret in your heart. Don't tell your friend anything you are passing through your marriage home. If you know you are going to leave that marriage, keep your secret. Yes, most of us, many of women, they will say a lot of things about their husband. Tell their friend about their husband. Say a lot of things about their husband. And you are still into that marriage. Sister, stop it. It's just a good advice. Stop it. Yes. If you are still in a marriage house, you know that man, you are not going to leave that man. It's your life. Whatever that man do to you, bear that secret in your heart. Don't allow anybody to interfere your marriage home. Don't bring your marriage matter to your social media people to be saying a lot of things inside. Yes, I'm saying this thing. Yes. If you want to remain your marriage home, please stop telling people about your husband. Stop telling people about what you are passing through your husband's house. If you don't want to stay in your husband's house, carry your bag and go. Carry your bag and leave that home. If you are tired of marriage, carry your bag and leave it. Yes, my people. Don't tell anybody about your marriage, about your home, and you are still in that home. You are mocking yourself. You are laughing at yourself. You are publishing yourself. You are saying everything about yourself. That is my advice for you guys. Thank you for your watching. If it is not your first, as I said before, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell when you follow. I still remain your girl, your sister, your friend. Shout out to one of France. I love you all. I love you all. If it is not your first time, please share this video. Drop a comment below. What do you think about my keep your secret to yourself? Learn how to hide your secret. Yes, my people, learn it. Any marriage house, any man, any woman, you are still in marriage house, please stop bringing your marriage issue outside, because nobody is going to advise you. Nobody put you into that marriage. Nobody send you to that marriage. You send yourself. So you send yourself to that man. You send yourself to the marriage. Then you face the problem of the marriage. No matter what people go to tell you, you cannot decide. You decide on your own. So the best thing, stay away from people. Tell people about your marriage home. Tell people about your matrimonial home. Please stop that. Okay, guys? I love you all for your watching. Keep watching this video. Thank you for your being here. Thank you for your comment and your subscribe. Please continue to come your way next time. Press the bell and notification. Goodbye, everyone. I love you all for your watching. I love you all for your listening to my voice. I love you all for your being here. Thank you. Goodbye. I love you guys.